start with a new subtopic, and that subtopic's name is equivalent, like, and unlike decimals. So let's start. First, let's talk about equivalent decimals. Equivalent decimals are any decimal numbers that are equal. We can only figure this out from the name itself. And here, now we see a picture with 10 rows. Out of them, 3 rows are shaded. So, how do we represent the shaded part? We represent it as 3/10, which is equal to 3 by 10 or 0.3. And now let's check this picture. This has 100 squares, and out of them, 30 are shaded. So how do we represent the shaded part? It will be 30 hundredths, which is equal to 30 by 100, which is equal to 0.30, which is equal to 0.3 ultimately. So this is an example of equivalent decimals. Now, we can also see that 3 by 10 is equal to 30 by 100, which is equal to 300 by 1000 or 3000 by 1000, 10,000. Here, 3 by 10 is equal to 30 and so on. So we just cut off 1 0 every time, and it is equal to the number 3 by 10 in 30 by 100. Whenever we cut off 2 zeros in 300 by 1000, we get 3 by 10 again. Whenever we cut 3 zeros out in 3000 by 10,000, we will get the number 3 by 10 again. So let's find another way. 3 by 10, all of this, they are equal to one thing. 3 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. 30 by 100 is equal to 3 by 10. 300 by 1000 is also equal to 3 by 10. And 3000 by 10,000 is also equal to 3 by 10, which is all equal to 0.3. So what we have to note is that whenever we insert the zeros after the last decimal digit, the value of the decimal number does not change. So let's learn about like and unlike decimals. Here, the like decimal meaning is that we have the same decimal numbers in the decimal places. For example, 2.1, 37.3, 607.8 are all like decimals. And another example is 1.65, 37.16, and 0.54 are all like decimals again. Unlike decimals is totally opposite of like decimals. They do not have the same decimal numbers in the decimal places. For example, 4.38, 43.9 and 0.813 are not like decimals. They are unlike decimals. 5.45, 17.04 and 272.89 are also like decimals. 7.5, 23.16 and 31.054 are unlike decimals. Now let's take 3 examples. In the number of decimals in A, which is 33.634, which is 3. In B, it is 60, which is 66.7831, is the decimal number is 4. And in C, which is 44.632, there are 3 decimal numbers. So the like numbers in these 3 examples is A and C, as they both have 3 decimal numbers. And the unlike are A and B and C, because A has 3 and B has 4, B has 4 and C has 3. So the next one example. Now let's learn about conversion of unlike to like decimals. As we can see here, 1.7, 2.35 and 6.135 are all unlike decimals. Now if you want to convert them to like decimals, we will convert them as 1.700, 2.350 and 6.135 are now all like decimals as they have 3 decimal numbers after the decimal point. These are the conversion. So, unlike to like decimals can be converted into like decimals by adding the zeros after the last digit in the decimal part. So, unlike decimals as 7.5, 23.16, 31.054, we'll just add 2 zeros after 7.5. We'll add 1 zero to 23.16 and we'll add no zeros at all after 31.054. Now, the unlike are 12.432, 6.7831, 3.4 and 2.34. So we'll convert them to like, it will become 12.4320, 6.7831, 3.4000 and 2.3400. So what did we learn today? We learned about equivalent decimals, like decimals, unlike decimals, and conversion from like to unlike decimals. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell to get more videos like this. Bye and have a nice day.